On the cable-driven grandfather clock, weights are suspended by cables that are used to return the clock's weights to the top position. Grandfather clocks have 3 weights with different purposes. The weight on the right is to power the chime melody, the weight in the middle drives the pendulum, and the weight on the left is responsible for the clock striking mechanism. Each week the weights need to be adjusted to the top position or the clock will stop. The grandfather clock with cable-driven movement is wound by inserting a crank, also called the key, to raise the weights that are near the bottom by the end of the cycle. To place the weights back, the crank or the key is inserted into the dial and wind them to the top position. The advantage of the cable-driven grandfather clock over the chain-driven movements is that the brass and cables as well as weights and pendulum are never touched, protecting them from tarnishing. In addition, the lifespan of the cable-driven movement is much longer and the sound of the chimes might be significantly better. The cable-driven clocks are bigger in size, as the movement requires a larger case which allows for more decorative and elaborate designs. The cable-driven movement costs more to produce, and as a result, such clocks have higher prices.